Hello class 6. Welcome to online classes of HPS. This is your English class. So be ready with your book and your notebook also. As we have to do question answers now. We have completed our chapter. So let's do question answers of it. So ready? Who is the narrator of the story? Who is the narrator of the story? Narrator मतलब जो कहानी सुना रहा है. Yes. Write down. The narrator of the story is the Joe. The narrator of the story is the Joe. Or we can say Joe is the narrator of the story. We can also write in this way also, Joe is the narrator of the story. Both are correct. Now question second. How old was the narrator at the time of the incident he relates? How old was his brother? जब ये इंसिडेंट सुना रहा था उस टाइम पे नैरेटर कितने इयर्स का था और उसका ब्रदर कितने इयर्स का था. Let's write down. The narrator was 10 years old. The narrator was 10 years old and his brother was 14 years old. At the time of the incident. The narrator was 10 years old and his brother was 14 years old at the time of incident. Right? This both are first answer. This is second. Now third. What job did the narrator's father do? कौन सा जॉब करते थे? The narrator's father worked as a clerk in a small factory. The narrator's father worked as a clerk in a small factory. Now, fourth. What filled the two brothers with excitement? क्या चीज़ उन्हें खुशी के मारे भर गई थी? Write down. The narrator says, the thought of buying a Mother's Day gift. The thought of buying a Mother's Day gift filled them with great excitement. मदर्स डे का गिफ्ट बाय करना के मारे वो बहुत खुश थी, विचार से वो बहुत खुश थी. The thought of buying a Mother's Day gift filled them with great excitement. Now, fifth, what does the narrator say about his father? नैरेटर ने अपने फादर के बारे में क्या कहा? Write down, the narrator says that his father was a kind and loving. His father was a kind and loving and never forgot and never never forgot FORGOT to bring birthday and Christmas gifts bring birthday and Christmas gifts for us. Now, 6. What does he say about his mother? He says that his mother never complained for anything. उसने कहा कि उसकी मदर किसी चीज़ के लिए भी कंप्लेन नहीं करती. He says that his mother never complained for anything. Now, 7th. Why had such a thing as a Mother's Day gift never come to the narrator's mind? क्यों नहीं आई थी उनके माइंड में पहले? Because they never got any pocket money. Because they never got any pocket money. Now, 8th. How did the two brothers get money for their gift? गिफ्ट के लिए कैसे उन्हें मनी मिलता था? By working some evenings. By working some evenings on a small furniture shop, by pushing push cart. By pushing push cart. This is enough for today. 1 to 8 question answers. Write down in your notebook. Watch this video again and again so that you will write properly. Bye for now. Have a nice day.